Stop relying on ChatGPT. Build your own AI app with Dify instead. ChatGPT feels generic, limited, and locked behind interfaces you can't control. What if you could own the model, customize the UI, and deploy in minutes? Meet Dify, a no-code platform that turns prompts into production apps. Connect models, drag in widgets, preview live, all in under 5 minutes. Security, hosting, and scaling handled. You focus on the idea. Watch, create a chat app, choose a model, set the system prompt, and press build. Instant preview loads, test, tweak, and iterate in real time. Deploy with one click. Dify publishes a hosted endpoint and SDKs instantly. Customer support bots, knowledge bases, or custom assistants, all built your way. Thousands ship faster with Dify, speed, control, and privacy at scale. Stop using ChatGPT. Start building with Dify today. Try it free.